Hi, this is Coach Katisha, and this is my son, Jaden. He's going to help videotape me. Say hi, Jaden.
Hi.
And he is excited, as well as I am, to make the oven fried chicken and protein waffles out of the 21-Day Fix book. The waffles are on the next page. Here's some of our ingredients. We have the chicken, the eggs, all the stuff that we need to make the batter, and we will post after we get the first process done. Thanks. Okay, based on our dried ingredients mixture, we have that here, and then our buttermilk and egg mix right there, and our skillet with the olive oil in it, and our chicken. So we will make it. This is the way the chicken looks after it's made, 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and we'll get ready to put it in the oven. My sister Sarah, say hi.
Hi.
Is helping me out with the protein waffles. This is the way she's working on the blended ingredients.
Oh.
And there you have it. There's the chicken out of the oven, and the waffles turned out pretty nice and look really good. And I will do one last shot of a plate.